The sealed solder system for battery terminals allows the user to easily solder and seal cable connections, eliminating the need for expensive crimping tools. Any style of closed-end connectors may be used. The sealed solder system for battery terminals consists of pre-sized solder pellets, no clean liquid flux, and color-coded adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. To install a soldered battery terminal, match the terminal to the cable. Measure the amount of insulation to be stripped. Strip the cable Insert the stripped cable into the barrel to make sure the insulation is snug against the connector. Secure the terminal in a vise. Place the solder pellet into the barrel. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the cable. Apply several drops of flux to the exposed wires. Preheat the solder pellet in the terminal for the length of time indicated in the written installation instructions. Place the stripped portion of the cable into the terminal. As the solder melts, allow the exposed wire strands to sink into the terminal until the cable insulation is snug against the top of the terminal. Slide the heat shrink tubing over the barrel and apply indirect heat until the tubing is fully recovered. Remove the heat source and allow the connection to cool.